Welcome back to Simple Drinks Cocktail Vlog. My name is Johnny and today we are making two real easy, real delicious cocktails. French Connection number 1 and French Connection number 2. In order for them to be French, you need a French cognac. I mean, you can use brandy, but cognac is preferred, so without further ado, let's make French Connection number 1 and French Connection number 2. So to make a French Connection number 1, we need brandy, 45 mils, 1.5 ounce. And Amaretto, 45 mils, 1.5 ounce. Now we need one big chunk of ice. Of course, you can use cubed ice. And just drop it in. Give a little stir. Perfect. Easy as that. French Connection number 1. Now, French Connection number 2. You can use ice, but you don't have to. It's really easy to make. 2 ingredients. Start with cognac, 45 mils. .5 ounce, and second ingredient, also French, Grand Marnier, 45 mils, 1.5 ounce. Now, you can garnish them, you can add ice, you don't have to, whatever you prefer. If you want to garnish French Connection number 1, maybe a lemon zest, lemon peel. For French Connection number 2, of course, orange. The French Connection number 2 is preferably made without ice, so you can smell beautiful and taste the nose better. Perfect after meal drink. And number 1, it's preferable with ice. Yeah, of course, Amaretto is dominant, but it's nice. It's like a cognac godfather, but it's nice. That's it, ladies and gents. French Connection number 1, French Connection number 2. Two real easy cocktails, really tasty. 2 ingredients only for both of them. Try them. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you like what you see, please subscribe. It means a lot. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.